Deep cleaning on our customer's desktop PC. Thank you, Sir Jimmy, for trusting PTIT Solutions. The reason we end up a deep cleaning on his desktop is that the computer turns on, but has no display. Our technician cleaned the memory modules and directly fixed the problem, so the suspect will be the dir on the pins. He then decided to clean the whole thing. Bringing your desktop to a trusted repair shop for maintenance, including deep cleaning, is a very good move. Professional technicians can thoroughly clean internal components, removing dust and debris that can clog the cooling system and cause overheating. This improves airflow, enhances performance, and prevents potential hardware damage. Regular maintenance by experts ensures your desktop runs efficiently, extends its lifespan, and helps avoid costly repairs in the future. Radiator of your AIO liquid cooler at a trusted repair shop is a very good move. Professional technicians can remove dust and debris that hinder cooling performance, ensuring optimal thermal management. Proper maintenance of the AIO liquid cooler enhances system performance, prevents overheating, and extends the longevity of your cooling system. Desktop avoiding potential issues and costly repairs in the future. The recommended timeline for visiting a repair shop for cleaning your desktop, including the AIO liquid cooler, is every 6 to 12 months regular maintenance. This frequency ensures that dust and debris are kept at bay, maintaining optimal cooling performance and overall system efficiency. Frequent checkups can also help in identifying and addressing potential issues early, preventing more significant problems and costly repairs in the future. You can DIY the cleaning of your desktop and an AIO liquid cooler with the right tools and careful attention. Basic tasks like dusting and using compressed air are manageable, but always turn off and unplug your computer first. Online guides and video tutorials can help. However, cleaning the AIO cooler radiator is more challenging and requires understanding the process to avoid damage. If unsure, it's best to bring your desktop to a trusted repair shop for professional cleaning. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.